Strengths of the department. The Computer Science and Engineering department started in 1987 with only one undergraduate program and has grown excellently ever since. The department has been offering a master's program from 1999. Major facilities in the department. There are 8 laboratories and a total of 467 desktop systems spread across all the labs. Major research facilities and equipments. Cloud Computing Center, IoT, Mobile Computing Facilities, Center for Data Science, Center for Big Data Analytics.
MEPCO's Cloud Computing Center consists of 2 Xeon E5 servers. One of them has 8 cores, 80 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1.8 TB of storage. The other has 6 cores, 48 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1.8 TB of storage. We also have 34 desktop systems of Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, and 1 TB storage. In order to encourage projects in IoT, MEPCO boasts the possession of several equipments such as the Raspberry Pi 3 kit, the Microsoft Kinect kit, the Arduino Mega 2560 kit, and the Smart Citizen kit. We have numerous sensors such as flex sensors, pressure sensors, GY85 sensor module, FlexiForce A401 pressure sensors, to name a few. We house several motor shields like the Mitsumi DC motor with encoder, ESP8266 with serial module for ESP12, and the USB host shield expansion port. MEPCO has invested in numerous devices for mobile application development such as the Huawei Nexus 6P, the Lumia 950 XL, the Lumia 950, and the Apple iPad Mini 4. We have centers for data science as well as for big data analytics, each of which hosts a Dell Optiplex 3070 SSF Mini, which houses an Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1 TB of storage.
The Computer Science and Engineering department has been recognized as a research center by Anna University. The following are the software procured for research enhancement. For the last 3 years, faculty members had published so many papers in international journals. The current batch of UG and PG from CSE department had done so many projects in different domains like data mining, image processing, IoT, network security, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and machine vision. These are the completed and ongoing research projects in the computer science department.
Dr. K. Munishwaran, Senior Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science, has a rich experience in machine vision, mining, and analytics. He has contributed to research by publishing in 54 international journals, 96 national and international conferences. 10 scholars have completed their PhD under him, and 8 are currently pursuing their PhD.
Dr. Kannan Balasubramanian, Professor of the Department of Computer Science. His area of expertise includes computer networks and network security. Dr. P. Golda Jayashili, Professor of the Department of Computer Science, specializes in high-performance computing, IoT, and data mining. Dr. J. Rajasekhar, Professor of the Department of Computer Science. He researches in the areas of IoT, knowledge and data engineering, and image processing. Dr. S. Devi Mahalakshmi, Associate Professor of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Her research interests include machine vision, IoT, and image forensics. Dr. S. Vanitha Sivagami, Associate Professor of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. She specializes in the area of semantic image analysis.
The following faculty members are currently pursuing their PhD.